Alrighty, and we are back here for another Beaufort County report. We are here now with Miss Alice Howard, and we are down here for the Bicentennial Lafayette Festival at downtown Beaufort. Can you tell me more about what your role is going to be down here at the festival?
Just to represent Beaufort County. Of course, we're very supportive of this event. It's a historic event, and just to greet all the people who are going to be here in the celebration.
And what is your role going to be? What are you going to be doing?
After, they're going to have a group of dignitaries escort the Lafayette to the downtown, and we'll be doing that. So I'll be one of the many elected officials that are here that will be escorting Lafayette.
Mm-hmm. And what are you most excited for the festival?
Just the history of this and how important it is, and all the different participating people, such as the school children, and you can hear the bagpipes in the back, and it's just going to be a fun event.
Yeah, as we're sitting here, there's more and more people that are showing up, a lot of people from the schools. What do you think the history does mean to Beaufort?
I think it shows how old Beaufort is and how important it was to the history of the United States. As we know, Beaufort County is a very diverse county, but also its roots go way back to prior to the Revolutionary War. So.
Alrighty, well, thank you,
Miss
Howard, and that's going to be all the time we have for this Beaufort County report, and we will see you back for the next one.